In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ATR indicator in Tradingview. The ATR, or Average True Range, is a highly useful tool for traders looking to measure market volatility. Whether you're new to Tradingview or just exploring the wide range of indicators available, this tutorial will guide you step by step through adding, customizing, and using the ATR indicator effectively. By the end, you'll understand how to read it, adjust it to suit your trading style, and incorporate it into your strategy for better risk management. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started by adding the ATR indicator to your chart. First, open your chart on Tradingview. Once your chart is displayed, look for the Indicators button at the top of the screen. It's usually located in the main toolbar. Click on it. This is your gateway to all the analytical tools and indicators Tradingview has to offer. A search box will pop up. In that search box, type ATR or Average True Range. You'll see a list of results populate below, and when you spot the ATR indicator, simply click on it. This action will automatically add the ATR indicator to your chart. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a new pane appear. This is where the ATR indicator has been plotted. It's represented by a wavy line, and this line reflects market volatility by showing the average range between high and low prices over a set period. Next up, let's customize the ATR indicator to make it more visually suited to your chart and personal preferences. To start, double-click directly on the ATR line in the chart pane. This will open up the settings window for the indicator. Once the settings window is open, navigate to the Style tab. Here you can adjust the color of the ATR line. It's a good idea to choose a color that contrasts well with the rest of your chart elements, so the ATR line stands out clearly, especially if your chart is crowded with other indicators. After setting the color, you can modify the line thickness. If you find the default line too thin, increasing the thickness can make it easier to see, especially for traders who might struggle with smaller details on the screen. Next, there's an opacity slider. This controls how bold or subtle the ATR line appears. Adjusting the opacity is useful if you want to balance the visibility of the ATR with the other elements on your chart. Finally, you can select a line style. For example, you might prefer a solid line, or you can switch to a dashed line if that feels clearer to you. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until the ATR display feels just right for your workflow and visual preferences. Now that your ATR indicator is customized, let's dive into understanding and using it. The ATR measures the average range between high and low prices over a set number of periods. By default, this is calculated over 14 periods, but you can adjust this in the settings if needed. The ATR is a measure of volatility, not price direction. This means it tells you how much the price is moving, not in which direction it's likely to go. If you want to change the sensitivity of the ATR, you can modify the period setting. A shorter period will make the ATR more sensitive to recent price changes, while a longer period will smooth out the line, making it less reactive to short-term fluctuations. One practical way to use the ATR is for setting smarter stop-loss levels. A higher ATR value indicates greater market volatility, so you might want wider stop-losses to avoid being knocked out of a trade by normal price fluctuations. On the other hand, when the ATR is lower, indicating a calmer market, tighter stop-losses might be more appropriate. This way, you're tailoring your risk management to the market conditions. Another powerful application is position sizing. By factoring in the ATR, you can adjust your trade size based on the current level of market volatility. For example, during periods of high volatility, you might reduce your position size to manage risk more effectively. Finally, keep an eye on the ATR line for sudden spikes or drops. A sharp spike in the ATR can signal a potential breakout or a significant market move, while a drop in the ATR might indicate consolidation or a quieter phase in the market. And there you have it. You now know how to add, customize, and use the ATR indicator in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.